everyone, I'm Dr. Lisa Medaglia, also known as Dr. Lullaby. Today we're going to talk about other sleep problems with a focus on restless leg syndrome, narcolepsy, and sleep apnea. So I want to talk to you about what signs or symptoms to be looking out for and when you need to talk to your doctor. So first, there's restless leg syndrome. So symptoms of RLS or restless leg syndrome would be kind of this uncomfortable feeling in your legs, an urge to move your legs, any tingling, numbness sensations that are experienced in the legs that are worse at night. So sometimes people might experience these kinds of symptoms when they're sedentary or not moving much, but we typically see that these symptoms are worse at night when you're trying to lay still for sleep. So oftentimes when patients have restless legs, they're having trouble with falling asleep as a result. So next we'll talk about narcolepsy. First, I want to make sure that everybody realizes narcolepsy is extremely rare. So most of the times when people are very sleepy, they are sleep deprived. So the number one cause of excessive daytime sleepiness is just insufficient sleep. So, but yes, it is true that one of the possible symptoms of narcolepsy is excessive daytime sleepiness, but we always want to make sure that before even having any consideration or any test ordering that patients are getting sufficient sleep. So signs and symptoms of narcolepsy can also be hypnagogic or hypnopompic hallucinations, kind of seeing vivid or shadowy objects in the room while falling asleep or while waking up. Then there's sleep paralysis, waking up in the morning feeling like you can hear what's going on, but you can't move your body, almost like you're paralyzed. And then may or may not have cataplexy, which is when you experience a strong emotion, and then there's muscle weakness related. So there are also commonly sleep attacks as well, where patients kind of suddenly enter a stage of sleep during activities like could be eating, could be talking, or other activities. And then sleep apnea. So this sleep apnea is a breathing disorder that's hallmarked by loud snoring and excessive daytime sleepiness. So if a lot of times people will say, well, I know I don't snore. A lot of times you wouldn't know that you snore. So you'd have to kind of get a bed partner or let you know if that's happening, or maybe even record yourself during the night. And you want to see if there is kind of this loud snoring that can be heard outside the bedroom, choking or gasping, heavy breathing, mouth breathing, waking up with a dry mouth in the morning, waking up with a headache that kind of goes away on its own, and then just excessive sleepiness, regardless of how much sleep you're getting. So if any of these signs or symptoms are present, then I would encourage you to talk to your doctor to see if an overnight sleep study or referral to a sleep doctor is warranted. Thank you.